Today, I want to review for you the Kenra Thermal Styling Spray 19 for flat ironing my hair. The mist comes out in a medium type of particulate, but it dries really fast. And I use this styling spray as a thermal heat protectant for flat ironing my blow-dried afro-textured hair. I apply a small amount on my sectioned hair and I flat iron, and then I keep going until my style is complete. I find that this spray holds my straight style while keeping my hair feeling light and airy, and it does not leave any residue on my flat iron. This spray helps my hair not to revert as fast in humidity. If you're looking for a thermal protectant that really does the job, that repels humidity, that keeps your hair light and airy while protecting your hair from the heat, I 100% recommend this spray.